Hello, this is Nimish over here, and it's my first video on YouTube, and I'm a bit nervous, and actually, my English is not that good. So, I would just like to show the new Windows 8.1 update, which was just recently released 1 month ago. And as you could see, my system configuration, yes, Windows 8.1 Pro N. Yep, this Windows 8.1 Pro N, and 64-bit operating system. Yep, x64 base system. So it's just like the operating system works good, and it's made for plus 4 GB RAM systems, that is installed memory. So I would just like to start with the start menu, and here, as you could see, the start menu is unlike the 8.1's original start menu. You could see some of them are new 6 applications installed, like there you could look. uh, New softwares are new softwares are highlighted like new, and here there's a classification option given. Here when you click on them, you could see like this, and it proves useful when you are searching for some application and you are messed up in all that other applications which appear in Windows 8 or 8.1, which both of them. And this is the new, this thing is showing the new applications installed. And the one more thing they have added in this taskbar is this shutdown button. This shutdown button is a bit useful for the users which are not good in Windows 8, or like they are missing the Windows 7 stuff of shutdown. And even they have got search button, you could just try run over here too. That's like, we could open temp over here, and it works like it's we are using this run thing. And if I type the same thing over here, I would get the same folder open. So the run thing is given over here. And another thing, you could just right click on them, and you could unpin them from taskbar, unpin from start also. So you could just resize them to large, as you could see. Actually, another good stuff is like you could just put them in the taskbar, and this store option was given as soon as the update came. I just clicked on it, and I just got over here. It's got a new title bar with a minimize option and a close option, as well as there's a navigation bar over there. So here's the store. You could just use that navigation bar. Click on it, split it to right, so you just had that at your right. And when you click over here and you click on the Chrome, and the Chrome's here, so you are using this thing. This feature was at Windows 8.12 as well as in Windows 8. You could just minimize over here, you could just maximize over here, and maximizing it again means the full screen option. This title bar looks pretty cool, and this this start menu option is even good. And actually, you could just use some another applications to put it on the taskbar. Like, I just want to keep, come on, I'll try with music. So I just kept it at pin to taskbar, and you find it over here. When you click it, as usual, you get that top top title bar. And here's my collection. This music stuff is even good. And this, you could just use your corner navigation button to split it to right, splitting it to right. And then I could just put desktop over here, and if you want, you could just put the store wherever you want. I'll go for the left side, and then when you click close, the application closes. And you could just extend this window. So you could even right click here and click close window to close that application. So some other cool stuff, like they have given some customizing options for networking. You click on networks and view network settings, and you get a whole new setting options for network. Here, if you don't have Ethernet and you are connected to Wi-Fi networks, then you could see your last connected Wi-Fi networks too. Actually, I am on a desktop, so I don't have any Wi-Fi networks. And this is the old thing. When you click here, control panel, the control panel opens, and this thing is pretty cool. And the best part is, like, we have that in our taskbar, so we could just try, we could just click on them whenever we don't like it. You could just click over here and right click on them and just close it, so it becomes much convenient. As well as I've got some other things, like there's some properties options like navigation options. When I sign in, close all other apps on screen and go to desktop instead of start. So in Windows 8, it used to happen like when you are signing in, where your PC boots up at this stage, and if you just take this option, you just come directly at the desktop instead of wasting time over here. And this you have got many more options here. Replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell and blah blah blah, all that stuff. And use small but task buttons. Actually, I prefer this option, it looks pretty cool. uh, then the next thing is, this update is cool, and this update has made it very easy for PC users, because this update, I don't know why I can't tell you like this, but this update sounds good and it's worthy. One should have it. If they use Windows 8, they should have this update. There's some, at least I haven't found any bugs yet, but if I just found any of them, the next video will be based on that. And you could just check my PC info over here. I just got Windows 8.1 Pro and the new updated version. And so even they have got the Internet Explorer update, but actually, Internet Explorer is not that worthy as you think. So I just don't waste time on that Internet Explorer update. Just click over here and I just get all my applications here. I could right click on them and I get the option near my clicking spot, instead of that old spot when we used to get my options below. It becomes good for keyboard and mouse users instead of touchscreen users. Actually, this thing's good, and one must have it, because it's giving a good experience to the ones using keyboard mouse instead of other things like touchscreen PCs. And touchscreen PCs is much better for Windows 8, the previous version, and not this updated one. So I would just like to close this video with this. Thank you. Watch me again. If you just like this video, press the hit button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.